Welcome to our channel, Humble Beginnings. We are here
Okay.
to interview you about, to know about your journey and how you cracked into Wipro and TCS and many other companies while you were doing your graduation. I remember one thing that we had met in a seminar which I gave in Sangamner College, and how it started. So uh, we will start about your journey, how you prepared for Wipro, how you get to know about WAGE program. That time it was WAGE, now it is WILP. So tell me more about the program itself first of all, and then we will move to your journey. So how got to know about the program and what is the program is all about. So how you get the education simultaneously you are working, and how it is beneficial to the people. So tell us.
Okay. So I remember I was in a third year of TYBCS, and during the semester, we got the notice from our faculty that there has been a interview scheduled in Pune for Wipro company, and if you want, you can go and give a shot. So we were not sure that we are prepared for it because the third year was just started. So I just thought that okay, just we can give a try. So I just went there to Pune, and I gave the interview. So I was not aware what the program is actually. So when I went there, so they briefed us about the program, what the program actually is. So we got to know that the WASTE program, which we are going through, it is a WASTE program for the students which belongs to BSc or BCA background. So the program is about providing a MTech degree for those students who are graduating with the degree of PCS in any like computer science, physics, IT, mathematics. So this program is for those students so that they will be capable, or they have the same opportunities like the engineers which are in the industries. So in this program, actually, Wipro has two programs. One is WASE and another is Vista. So the WASE program is for the students which have mathematics as a subject in their course.
Graduation.
So and yeah, and the Vista program is for non-mathematics students. So the program is same, but the category is different for both the program. And the WASE offers the MTech degree from BITS Pilani, and Vista program provides degree from VIT Vellore. So this was the offer from the Wipro. In this, they were going to provide a 4-year bond with a 4-year education along with the daily routine job as like the software engineer which are in the industries. So we thought that yeah, we can give a try for this, and it is actually very beneficial if you're from the BSc background. So I thought, yeah, let's give it a try. We got succeed, and it's okay to join. So uh, when I went to Pune, so there were rounds like they scheduled two aptitudes rounds. So in the first round there were general questions, aptitude questions, and if you clear that, in the second round you get another round of aptitude in which they give some tasks on the system, and you have to complete it within a time period, and those who complete within that time period are selected for the next round. So the first round I cleared, and in the second round also I was cleared, and the third round was technical with HR. So in that, when I went for the technical round, they asked some technical questions, and
Hmm?
after that, they were happy with my interview, and they told me that they'll drop an email if you're selected or not for that, for your confirmation. So I thought, yeah, let's see what the result is. So I went to the college again, and after a few weeks, there was an email that you have been selected. So I was happy with it. So I just continued the third year of BSc, and just at the time of completion of the third year, uh, again we got an offer from TCS that they're offering one program of MCA for
So
further
Priya,
studies of 2-year programs. Yeah.
so we will, get to the Wipro journey first, and then we will come to TCS. So I just
Okay.
wanted to, know few of the things over here. That first of all, you were in your third year, like you just started your third year, right? So it was in June
Yes.
or July, something around, right? When you
It
started
was
with,
a time period of yeah. I started in June, but the
right?
time period of that Wipro interview was in August and September.
Right, but you must have started with the process in June, July, and then you got the interview in August, something like that.
Yes. Yes.
Right. So one must be very focused when he is into his third year, because people are not knowing when they come, they get pass out from their second year, they are not that focused towards placements, right? They often start after
Yeah.
third year is getting finished, and they get a result, and then they search for a job. They don't search it when they are into their third year, and they are into just starting of a third year. So this is a very great point, I will say, which is like you need to be alert, and you need to know what are the opportunities out there while you are in third year itself. You don't need to wait for to finish it, right?
Yeah. Right.
Because they need to know, well before that, they should be aware of opportunities out there. So
Yeah.
this is the first thing I got from it. Second thing is, I could see that you have cracked the technical interviews, like technical round and the aptitude round as well. So can you elaborate, like in aptitude, all were the mathematical questions, or how was it?
In aptitude, there were some general knowledge question and some were of the basics of the computer, like C or PHP, and then like basic examples were there, basic questions were there.
Basic things what you have
Major,
studied so far, right?
yes, yes,
Nothing extraordinary out of the syllabus or something like that.
no, no,
Only
everything
the
was related to the syllabus.
okay. And like, have you prepared something for these kind of tests or something? Like, have you prepared well before? Like, you need to know uh, like certain subjects or something like that. Like aptitude preparation, you have done something, or you were good at apti from right before.
No, it was my first time only, and I was not that good enough, and I didn't have that much confidence. But just the notice was given us to us like 2 weeks ago. So we were like, okay, okay, we'll see. And before that, before going to Pune, I thought that we should go through the courses we have gone through. So I just give a look up for the topics which we went through, and the same was there. Not exactly the same, but yeah, bit part was involved in that.
Okay, so can you tell me, like, out of how many students you got selected there in that WAGE program?
uh, from our college.
No, 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 not from our college. So it will be a general thing, right? It must be a general test for everyone that is appearing for WAGE. So
I
do you have any rough idea, like from 1,000 or whatever amount of people were there for WAGE program, how many got selected out of that?
actually, when I went there, there were plenty of students from very different colleges. So for the first round, I guess around 250 students might have cleared.
Okay. And what was the
And
batch that? Yeah, go
sorry.
on, go on, go on, go on.
and in the second round, the count was decreased.
Okay, so 250 people were selected for the first round, and then out of
Yeah,
that, how many got selected?
I'm not sure about that, but yeah, proximity is like you can consider 70, 80.
Okay, okay. So out of like pool, 250 were first shortlisted. Out of that, 70 got selected. So that is how it is.
Yeah.
Mhm. So while you are doing your journey in Wipro, BITS Pilani Ways program, you must be working and as well as studying. So uh, and you are earning as well. So it's a good thing to be done if you are not paying anything for BITS Pilani, right? So you're not paying any fees there, right? You will be
No.
sponsored by Wipro all over.
Yes. Wipro sponsored that program.
Right, and you get the stipend as well.
Yes.
Right. So if I have to go for an education and I don't have a capacity to pay out of my pocket, I can choose this program, right?
Yeah. You can go to it.
Like if I have to go to a post graduation and I don't want to pay out of my pocket, so it's a good opportunity to go for, right?
Yeah. Right.
So what is the significance of BITS Pilani MTech program? So have you like are you aware of it? Like what are the benefits available for the MTech program that is being done from the BITS Pilani?
Right now, I'm just going through the same program. So the benefits I can say is like yeah, you get the 4 year of experience certificate when you try to switch for another company. So that is a one benefit. Again, you get to learn many more things on live projects, and it's not like that you're not given to work on the live projects. You're given some separated work, and you have to just go through it and work for it. No, it's not like that. You are treated like the same software engineer who are from BE or ME. So your level is same as the other employees in the project. So there's nothing different in the Wipro, and they do not treat you different. So you're working on the same project, live
As
project.
they
So
are
you
working.
give the, yeah, and you get the experience of those projects. The another benefit is like in the 4 year of bond, you get to know a lot many things, lot many technologies, and during this period you just pass your 4 years, and after that you get even get on-site opportunities. Like if after the completion of 4 years, you get the conversion from student to as an employee. So you
Right.
immediately get on-site opportunity to travel. So that is another benefit, and the biggest benefit is that you don't need to pay for the course
Right.
from your pocket. So because Wipro is paying for it.
Right.
So
And there
these
is
are the
also,
benefits which I see.
yeah, and there is also one more thing that you get a BITS Pilani name under your resume, right? That is also a
Yes.
good takeaway. Was getting into BITS Pilani out of other means is very difficult
Yes.
because it's very competitive institution as well to get into, right?
Yes. Right.
So now tell us about the journey that you had with the TCS. So how you cracked TCS and why you don't choose to go with, over, like, why you choose Wipro over TCS. So that is also a question which is very a career changing question when you have like 2 3 offers and you need to choose. It is a good situation actually, but it's a situation where
Mm-hmm.
you choose a thing and get and you opt for that career. So it's a very crucial decision to make. So looking back, what you think, like what was the TCS offer and how you managed to choose between the two, and what you did for cracking that TCS interview as well.
Okay. So the TCS program, TCS offers a MCA program for 2 years, and we were again given the notice in the completion of last year that the TCS is offering a 2 year MCA program. So if you want to go and give an interview, then you can see. It's your decision. So the TCS has the like a very good thing that they perform the first round, like they give you some task on the portals,
Mhm.
like they'll give some questions or any programming questions, and they'll give you a deadline to complete it within a time period. So the first when we register for the TCS, they gave us this task and we completed those tasks and we dropped an email. So we got the confirmation from the TCS at the end of I guess Jan or Feb. Jan actually, January, and in the February they schedule an interview.
Mhm.
So from our college, there were, I guess, 10, 12 students who got passed in that level. So we went for the interview, and that was a sudden invitation, like surprise invitation. Like tomorrow is your interview, and you have to go. So we were just busy in our projects, last year project, and we got this information, and from 12 of us, some thought that it's not possible, that it's a surprise invitation and we can't go in one day without any preparation. So again, I thought that chalo, I have been selected for Wipro, I can give a try for a TCS. And so I just went, after that college, I just packed my bag and I traveled to Pune. And the next morning there was an interview. So I was not prepared for anything. Everything
Mhm.
was just the study which I went through the last semester, sixth and seventh. I was
Okay.
going through the semester, so I just went on the base of those studies. And for the TCS, the criteria of the interview was very different apart from Wipro. So they first had aptitude test. They were same paper aptitude,
Mhm.
and I guess there were some 100 or 150 students for the aptitude. So among them, I guess 50, 60 again was selected for the second round,
Mhm.
and the same criteria of aptitude was the same basic knowledge of computer.
Okay.
So we passed that, and after that there was a technical round for the TCS. So the technical round was very different. Like uh, the level was like you are sitting in the queue and you will be given a chit from a TCS guy, and he'll give you one task, and at the time when you are in queue you have to complete that task. Like the task was that you have been given one program, uh, like anything, like odd even program, but in another language, and there is a twist within that program. So you were given the freedom to write that program in any of your language. So we did that program, and we went for the technical round. So in technical round, uh, they themselves asked on which mm, language you want us to interview. So
Okay.
many of them told that Java or the PHP,
Mhm.
all the subjects we were learning in the third year. So they gave the mostly they gave the Java option. So
Okay.
um, I I went there and I just gave. I was so nervous that I was not prepared. So I told them, yeah, you can take my interview on anything. So he just took my
Okay.
interview, and it was actually not like interview. It was like we were teaching each other the concepts, and I was so nervous that he told that please be relaxed. It's not that it's a interview going on. So they treated very freely. They didn't give the pressure that it's your interview.
Yeah,
So
they made you
that was,
comfortable and then they asked you
yeah,
questions.
yes. And
Mhm.
after the technical round, during we had a talk, and after that he asked me that you are already selected for Wipro, and why you want to join TCS, or
Right.
why are you giving interview for a TCS?
Right.
And my reply was like, I did a trial for the Wipro and I was not sure. And I just came for TCS like, I can give interview for my benefit. Even if I'm not selected, then it's okay. I'm not worried about it because I'm already selected. So he said, okay, no problem. So I just went out and I was sitting in the queue and they announced my name that you are selected for the HR round. And I was
But
like
this is a
surprised. Oh wow.
dangerous answer. So if you give answer to someone like this, that I got selected in TCS, Wipro, and I just came to get selected, so they will not be hiring you in many places because uh,
No. That was not given from me. He was saying that if you are already selected in Wipro, then why are you giving interview for TCS? It was his
right.
question, not my answer.
Okay, but still the answer you gave, that you were selected in Wipro and you got into TCS for just to prepare just to get prepared for
Experience.
right. So that's not a very wise answer if someone wants to get a second offer. And that's so nice of TCS
Yeah.
that you got the offer. But then once you got the offer, how you chose between Wipro and TCS? How was it like? Uh, what
Uh,
was it a tough
Actually,
choice?
yeah, it was a tough choice, but I was like in the condition that I have to make a choice now, because the time period for both the joining were the same. After
Okay.
my third year completion, I was waiting for the offer later when I have to join. So both the companies took time, and within that long period, TCS took some tasks. They gave us some quiz or some learning skills to on Coursera, and then
Okay.
again they gave us some tasks, like they gave their application and they told us to do something based on the task, and like it was that you are not sitting free, even if the offer letter is not offer. So uh, we were just waiting for the offer letter, and at the time of waiting, there was a long time period that we didn't receive any offer letter, and I was like, what is this happening? We are not getting any offer letter, and I have already cracked the interview so long.
Mhm.
So in the time of December, I was thinking that I will join any of the offer letter which comes first. So the Wipro letter offer letter was proposed in December, and uh, I just made it final that I'll join Wipro now.
Okay.
So I joined Wipro, and after completing my training, I got the offer letter from TCS that now your training
Okay.
has been scheduled. So
Okay.
that was a tough question for me to select, but I was like first come first serve now.
Okay. So you got the Wipro offer first, and you got the joining as well, and then after TCS came, so you had an option with Wipro, and you joined that. So now it is the time that you will be getting uh, passed out from your MS program, and you will be converted to core employee. So how you are feeling for your accomplishment so far, and what you will
I'm
suggest?
feeling relaxed.
Uh, what you will suggest for the people who are like who wants to follow your path or something like that, so what you will suggest to them?
Mm, See, I'm feeling very happy that I completed these years so easily, and I didn't got any idea when the time passed. So uh, I will suggest that if anyone is from a BCS background or get selected in this program, program, they can join this program because the degree is offered by Wipro itself. You don't need to pay anything from your pocket. You just have to do your work, do the degree, and then after that you can make your career, future career, and it is very good. So I will suggest, if anyone is from the background that he or she is not able to afford that MTech degree or MCA degree, further degree, it's a good opportunity for those people. And even for those who are capable of it, they can even join the same program because it gives many benefits.
Right.
So, and for the TCS, I will suggest, yeah, if nobody wants to wait for 4 year bond and they want to just complete the degree and want to switch the company as soon as possible, they can go for TCS because the
Right.
program is same everywhere. Just the bond is long for both the.
But do they provide MCA from BITS Pilani, or is there any other
No,
institution for TCS?
for TCS, the MCA is offered from Shastra University, and for TCS, you have to pay yourself for the
Okay.
course.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's better program that Wipro has, right? It is having a good university which has name worldwide, and it also has this option of not paying anything from your pocket. So it's a good program, I would say, the Wipro one.
yeah. And right now, the Vista program has been closed, and they have proposed new program like WIMS and SIMS for the people from diploma background, and
Okay.
for WIMS, WIMS is for BCA students, and SIMS is for the people with the diploma background.
Can
Yeah.
you spell it for
So
can you tell us like it's SIMS?
SIMS,
Okay.
SIMS, and WIMS is WIMS.
Okay.
So the WIMS is offering the same degree from same university, and the bond is for 5 years now. And
Okay.
for SIMS, the people from diploma background, the year bond for them is also 5 years now. So
Okay.
there's a change in program
Okay.
in Wipro.
So thanks for talking with us. We are happy to have you here and
You.
to learn from you. Uh, I'm sure that students will learn from you and your uh, pearls of wisdom. So they will get to know all the things that you talked about. And we are so happy to have you here on very short notice. Thank you so much for this
Thank you.
video so that people can learn from you. Thank you so much, Priya.
Thank you, Rishikesh.
Thank you.
Thank you.